Today we will be talking about the Sony a6400 and specifically about photography. I'm not going to waste your time with all of the technical specs or settings about this camera. You can find them in Google, or you can go to Sony's website and find every single thing that this camera has. This video is to help you decide if this is a good camera for you starting as a photographer. So in this part of the video, I asked my friend Giselle to help me. She's really good at posing and modeling, but also she's a really great graphic designer. We're testing this a6400 with the Sigma Art 35mm 1.4. I think this is a really good setup for someone just getting started, because just the body is under $1,000, and this lens can go and grow with you as you change bodies. And like I was telling you, you have to date your body camera but marry your lenses. So if you get into Sony and you change bodies, you can still use these lenses. Like I have like this A7S III, the one I'm filming on. It came out last year and it was supposed to be like the latest camera, and then Sony dropped 4 different models after that model, and now this is like, it's really good, but it's not the best out there. Yeah. And I wonder what's going to happen in 5 years. But 5 years from now, Sony still has the E-mount and I can use the lenses. But in the meantime, we're going to see if I already know that this is really good for video because it shoots 4K at 60 frames per second. It lets you do super slow motion, and also 24 frames at 4K, which gets that cinematic, it looks like a movie. And it does 120, which is like super slow motion. If you, cool. I wonder if it's like, it's as good as a video camera as it is for a photo camera. And we have these alleys in town that we can use to take some pictures. One of the things I don't like about this camera is the battery life. It's just really bad, but you can buy extra batteries for a very low cost and always have a battery charged. At the end of the day, it's very important that you understand how you frame your photos, how light works, and you should be able to take photos with any type of camera. Thank you for staying until the end, and if you want to watch a video that I shot with the a6400, I'm gonna leave it in the cards or on the end screen.